Hello everyone, my name is Greg and I dev stuff. Welcome everyone to episode 4 of Gridmap in Unity tutorial. In this episode we will learn how to use RuleTiles and utilize them with our tile map system. Let's clean our root folder. This episode is brought to you by generous support of people on Patreon and members on YouTube. If you want to join them, link to my Patreon in the description, and join button available right now on YouTube. In the last episode we implemented the tile set, and today we want to explore a way to make stuff look a little more fancier than just plain color cells. So I downloaded a free Sprite sheet you can find online. It will be available to download by the link I provide in the description. Please tell to the author that this tile set that he made is awesome. Today we want to learn how to use RuleTiles for our tile map implementation. RuleTile allows us to automatically apply the tiles with a set of rules. So for example, it will automatically make borders. This way RuleTiles will save a lot of time for us. First we need to import RuleTiles. Open Package Manager. Enable Preview Packages. And install 2D tile map extras. If you did everything right, the RuleTile will show up here. Good. Import the tiles I link in the description, or the tile map you are going to use. Set it up. On 2D sprites we want to turn off any compression and filtering, or you will see weird smearing of pixels. The pixel per unit should be equal to the size of each tile in the tile map. This will make it so one tile will correlate with position in the world 1 to 1. Allocate the tiles. We will use this grass tile and this desert tile. Create an instance of RuleTile. Select the default tile. In most cases this will be your center tile. Then click on Add New Rule button. And now we can start setting rules for the rule tile to fit itself. Let's start by adding a rule for the right border between desert and grass. Green arrow means that in the tile at the left relative to this tile, if the same rule tile is present, then put the specified tile from this rule. The red cross, at the other hand, is a condition that there will be not the same rule tile present in the specified tile. Continue doing this to cover all the sides. Now replace the usage of this rule tile on the tile set. We can use rule tile same as any other tile. Oh, we're setting it as a second tile, not first. My bad. Okay, replace the rule tile to the second one. Good. Now let's draw something more cohesive. Open the grid manager and set the tiles in the 3x3 square. Great, as you can see it works. Yet there is a small issue with corners. To set up corners we need to create rules for them. So set up the corners, using the rules, by checking if the places outside the corner is not the tile, and into the corner is the rule tile, so green arrow. Remember that the rule tile works as first match system. The first tile which match the rule set will be placed on the tile map. There is one thing. Try not to overcomplicate the rule tiling, because if you go too complex with tiles, it might start showing on performance when you are placing the tiles. So now let's expand the area a little for testing. Good. If I replace this simple color with actual tile, it will look even better. Right now making maps is too complicated for us. You need to go into code and specify in which position what tile should be placed. In the next episode we want to implement a system so we will be able to edit, save and load maps in the Unity editor. Good, this is it for this episode. If you have any questions or any idea about code, please leave your comment below. If you are interested in seeing what will come out of this, please subscribe. If you want to support further, you can find my Patreon in the description. Special thank you to Andrew V. Long for his generous support. With best regards, see you in the next episode.